How do I remove the trimmer head from a Husqvarna 128LD trimmer? I want to install an alternate trimmer head.
Hello, look on the left side of the gearbox, opposite the grease nut, and there should be a appox 3/16" hole where you insert your pin tool to lock the gearbox and unscrew the complete head. I will look for a diagram.
Is the hole just below the grease nut? All set, thanks.
Here is a picture. Gearbox lock. And it is probably left-hand threads. Were you able to unscrew the cutting head assembly in one piece? Were you able to unscrew the cutting head assembly in one piece?
All set. You solved my problem.
Okay. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.